Well, guys, I got it through. The Ken coming up from Ken.com. Rodan 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. I got my computer system here. No, it is not a pickleball. I'm just using this to stabilize the wires, because I don't like moving my wires around. I've been moving the wires around a lot, so finally got it through the hole here, and everything is outside the engine. And I think I'm gonna take a break now. It's September 28th, 2024. I think I said 2025 last time. That goes through that hole up there, down to the transmission. Y'all take it easy, and talk to y'all later some other time.